Hi guys, say happy birthday Donna. Today is my birthday. Yes, it is my birthday and it's a very special day for me because today I wanted to launch my book. You know, the thing is that you guys know I lost my sister a few weeks ago. So it's been very hard for me. I have some setback, so the book is not complete yet. It's still working on a few more editing leave, so it will be out in another few weeks. Just give me some time. I apologize that it's not finished. I know my friends and family know. I told them that the book is going to be out on my birthday. I know that's a little bit of disappointment, but you know, every disappointment is for a reason, and that is the reason, because you know, I wasn't feeling myself. I was sad for the past couple of weeks, but the website is up. You could get you could pre-order your audio on the website or your ebook. When the hardcover is ready, it's gonna be up there as well. It's gonna be on Amazon, it's gonna be on Barnes and Noble. It could ship anywhere in the world. You could order your book. If you don't want to order the hardcover, you could order the audio or the ebook. You could download it on your laptop or whichever, and you could read the book wherever you go. So yeah, so you could get your copy. This is a life journey of me, my autobiography. It's tough, guys. It's very painful, break me down a couple of times, but I hope that if you are going through any hard times, this book will give you some hope. Okay, so you could order your copy whenever you're ready. I will be putting the link in the description on my Facebook, on my Instagram, so you could hop over to the website and also stay in touch on my Facebook page, especially because that's where I post almost everything about my life, my kids and everything. So stay in touch on my Facebook page where I share the links, and you will able to hop over to the website and you will see what's going on over there. Love you guys, and thank you guys so much for your wishes, your birthday wishes, my friends and family. Oh my God, you make me feel so special today. I love and appreciate all of you that show me support. I love you guys. Stay safe, stay blessed. Without God, I am nothing. So I love you, Father, for everything that you have done for me. I am grateful for the love that God has given me over the years. So adios to you guys. Bye. Love ya.